and welcome back to my channel. I haven't seen you guys in like a week and 2 days. I think my last video was on Friday when we were talking about crystals. I just want to thank you guys for all the love on that video. And I know the main reason that you're here are to find out the winners of the crystal video. So all the winners have been listed in the bottom bar. I have already reached out to them. They have 24 hours to respond back to me. Otherwise, it is on to the next. So hopefully all the winners that I chose will respond. Otherwise, somebody else is going to get an email. I will be doing more crystal giveaways in the future and just lots of giveaways in general, because if you guys could see the amount of makeup that is behind this monitor, you would be like, jaw drop. So I'm gonna put together some mystery boxes and probably like 20 of them or so, and then just start giving them out randomly throughout videos. So I'm gonna try to conquer that next week. I do have to go to LA again on Friday. Hopefully within like this week that I'm home, I can like really get in. I'm probably gonna have like my mom and like my cousin come over and help me, because it is so much makeup that I need to give to you guys. Anyways, the crystal winners are listed down below. So I'm sorry that I have been a little MIA for the past week. It doesn't matter like how many times I travel, how long I've been doing it. I think I got my shit together and then I come home and I'm just dead. I'm a zombie. I want to lay in the bed. I don't want to move. I want to cuddle with my cats and eat bagels. I mean, we have been a little busy. Me and Jeremy have like a little side hustle going on that you guys will see soon. So we've been kind of taking care of all that, and I'm excited for you guys to see. So like I said, I got to go back to LA on Friday because I will be at Generation Beauty this weekend, which I'll be there Sunday, and I'm going to be at the Eylure booth. So if you guys are at Gen Beauty on Sunday, please come see me. I'm not exactly sure yet what time my meetup is, but I'll probably have it listed in the bottom bar for you guys so that you shall know. So if you're going to be at Gen Beauty, I would love to hug you and squeeze you and take a picture with you. And I'm gonna be at my Eylure booth, so you know my lashes will be there. Gen Beauty is like one of my favorite beauty conventions to go to, just because I feel like it's like super duper organized. Anyways, today's video is going to be a Sephora haul, because I feel like I haven't done a haul in a really long time, and it's almost a little sick to me though, but I still buy makeup. Even with all that makeup that's sitting over there, I want to give all that makeup to you guys. That's why I kind of just been like hoarding it over there in that corner, but I still do buy makeup. It's a sickness. I just love makeup. I've always loved makeup. I've always loved buying it. I don't remember the last time I was actually like in a Sephora like buying stuff, which kind of makes me a little sad, because that used to be like one of my favorite things to do, was like go in Sephora and touch and feel everything. But now I'm just like such a online shopper, because it's just so easy. It's so easy. So yeah, I just want to run through the products that I got from Sephora. I don't know if some of them are new. There's one product in here that I really want to talk about because I got to try it before I got it from Sephora, but we'll talk about that in a second. So shall we start? Yeah, let's start. So first things first, I think this is probably the most expensive item that is in my Sephora haul. This is the Natasha Denona Tropic palette. I have all the Natasha Denona palettes, and I do purchase them all myself. I'm not on the PR list for her, and I'm not trying to get on the PR list either. I just like to buy things if I know I'm gonna talk about it on my channel, because I feel like it gives like a more authentic kind of review of the product if you're spending like your hard-earned money on it. And I mainly buy them because I want to have all of these in my collection. I think my favorite one from her is like one of her original ones. It's like, I don't even remember what the name of it is, but this is the Tropic palette. This is the newest palette that came out, and I wanted to get it because it was different than what I had, like palette wise. I'm sure that I could find these colors like individually, but sometimes I like to just have things in a palette, so if I'm traveling I can take them with me. So this is what this guy looks like. It's really beautiful, very tropic. I love this shade. I love all these shades here. Even these shades, like this green, I think is really pretty. I've been drawn more to green eyeshadows lately, which kind of is making me like, what? I feel like anytime I see a green, I'm like, yes, I want to do a look with that. I know we did one probably like 2 months or so ago with the Cheers to Beauty from Colored Rain, but I definitely want to do a look with this green and this mint frost and this just kind of quad right here and this situation. So it's very, very beautiful. Definitely on the pricey side. This is more like if you want to splurge on something, give it to somebody as a gift, if you just want to hashtag treat yourself. I don't want to swatch any of them here on camera with you guys, because when we use it in a video, that's when I want to swatch it. So maybe we'll use this guy in the next makeup look, because I feel like we haven't done a makeup tutorial in a minute, right? Have we? I don't even know. I don't even know what's going on with my life. There's so much happening. Next, I got these little Peace Out Acne 20 Acne Healing Dots with salicylic acid, vitamin A, and aloe vera. So I got these mainly for flying, because most of the time when I fly, I do end up breaking out because it's just so dry in the cabin and it's all that recycled air. And most of the time I'm flying to LA, and that's like a 5-hour flight. So you're just on there for so long. So I wanted to be able to have something that I could just like put on my face if I felt like a breakout happening. Like, you see this guy right here? You see this guy? Yeah. That's from the last plane ride. But other than that, I feel like my skin has been doing pretty well. So I mainly got these guys just for traveling purposes. And it's basically just like a little sticker that you stick on your face. I don't know if these are clear. Actually, let's pop this open so we can see. So they come in a little pack like this, and you have 2 little individual packs, and then there's 10 little dots on each one. So you would pull this open, and so there are these little dots that look like this, and then you would just place them over your blemish and let it sit there, and you would let it sit there for 6 hours, or you can leave it on overnight. The ones I had before, I'm pretty sure, were from Peter Thomas Roth, and those worked really good as well. And then I saw these on Sephora, so I just wanted to give them a try because they had pretty good reviews. So again, these are the Peace Out Acne healing dots. Clearly I felt like I was going to be breaking out, so I got some things for breaking out, because this is from Boscia, and this is the charcoal spot corrector. I used to be obsessed with the Mario Badescu, you know, little pink stuff that you would put on your face. I forget what it's called. Drying lotion. Got it. And then I used this other one, and I haven't used any of these like little spot treatments in a really long time, but I saw this one and was intrigued by it, and I was like, you know what? Flo is right around the corner, so we know what happens when she comes to town. And I've never used a charcoal one before, so that's what this guy is, just a little charcoal version of like the acne spot treatment. So you're just supposed to take a Q-tip, pop it in here, and then pop it onto your blemishes and let that chill overnight. So this says to leave on for 1 hour for a quick spot treatment, or overnight for maximum treatment benefits. So most of the time I do use this stuff overnight. Once it all settles, it'll just be the charcoal here, and then it's clear like on top. It's a little shaken up because, you know, it was like in the box and stuff. But basically the same idea as any kind of drying lotion. This one is just with charcoal, which is supposed to really help like draw out impurities in the skin. So I'm surprised that this is kind of the first charcoal spot treatment situation that I'm seeing, but I'm excited to use it. It will be hitting this little man tonight. I feel like I got a lot of skincare. I didn't really get any makeup. The only makeup that I got was like that palette, I think. Anything else? Everything else is like skincare-y. That's fine. That's fine. All right, so the next product I want to talk about is Summer Fridays, and this is the product that I got to try before I actually got it from my Sephora haul, because my homie Mariana Hewitt and her homie Lauren actually created this product, and this is their first product from their brand. Their brand is Summer Fridays, and the mask is called the Jet Lag Mask, and this is a hydrating mask. Now, I bought it when it came out on Sephora because, like I said, I like to buy my own shit, but Mariana was sweet enough, and she actually sent me the mask, so I got it before my Sephora order came in. I think I got it the day I got home from LA, which was on Tuesday, and I put it on my face, and oh my god, I don't think I've ever been as impressed with a skincare product as I was with this, because you put this on your face for 10 minutes, you let it absorb into your skin. You can use it as like only under eyes, you can put it all over your face, you can use it as an overnight mask, you can use it as a quick mask, you can use it as your base before you put on your foundation. And when I tell you, I woke up the next day with the plumpest, most hydrated, flawless looking skin. I wrote her, I was like, I was blown away when I woke up and saw my skin this morning. When you put it on your face, like it instantly just feels like your face is like plumping and just like soaking all the hydration in. It makes me look so dewy. Like I said, I've never been this blown away by a product by only using it one time. It has a little bit of like a pepperminty scent to it, which you don't like think of when you think of a face mask, but it kind of just feels like invigorating like on the skin. So totally blown away by this mask. I absolutely love it. If you have a chance to try this mask, if you have dry skin, if you have oily skin, if you have whatever kind of skin you have, all skin needs hydration. Best hydration mask I have ever tried, and I probably will never use another hydration mask unless they come out with one, because then I'm gonna try it. But other than that, number one. It's like sometimes I can't tell if I'm just like put too much highlighter on or if I'm like actually greasy. Anybody else? Next, I picked up some of these Luminous Dewy Skin Masks from Tatcha, because I see everybody and their mom on Instagram getting facials from Yoli, Desi, Katie, James Charles, just everybody just having this luxurious facial in their house. And I'm just like, I want Yoli to come to my house, but I live in Florida, so I understand. But usually she uses these masks on them, so I wanted to give them a try myself. Again, these are the Luminous Dewy Mask. It is a sheet mask, so it's the one that like make you look like Jason from Friday the 13th, that you're gonna kill somebody, but you're not. You're just hydrating your skin. These are also great to use when you're traveling. They're also great if you're just lounging around your house eating bagels like me. All right, next I got from Sun & Park. This is the Beauty Filter Cream, and it says Glow on the bottom. I'm just as intrigued as you are. Okay, we have a little applicator. It says that this is effortlessly absorbed into the skin and it provides coverage. So I want to take a little bit off the top and just rub it into my hand and see like, oh, it's really nice. So you can see like the nice sheen. I don't know if there's like any coverage. It says it provides coverage, but I didn't think that it would provide coverage. It just looks like it would give you like this beautiful luminescent dewy glow underneath your makeup. And it doesn't have like any kind of sticky feeling or anything like that. So all of this, like anything that we can use in the next makeup tutorial, like makeup prep wise, we will be using. It did absorb super duper quick into the skin. So I'm excited to try this for our next makeup look. Again, this is from Sun & Park and it is the Beauty Filter Cream Glow Diamond Buff from Bee Sting, and it looks like, let me get it. It's basically like getting a microdermabrasion, but at your house. So I'm excited for that because I like getting facials. I just don't get facials as much as I should. And you're going to use this to buff your skin. It's going to remove a layer of dead skin, which is going to provide a more vibrant looking skin. It's going to help with like old acne scarring. By removing the dead layer, it encourages new cell growth. It improves the absorption of hydrating lotions and serums, increases elasticity, and stimulates collagen production. I also like this because it is convenient. I can travel with this. There's no cords. I can just throw this in my makeup bag and go. But again, this is the Diamond Buff. I like don't even want to touch it because I don't want to contaminate it with my fingers. This is from Vita Liberate and this is the Body Blur. I've been using this for a really long time and I just had to re-up on it. I think, is this the one that I got? Yeah. It's basically like body makeup. So if you want to slather this all over your chest, your arms, your legs, wherever you want, it's going to give you like this beautiful, like, it very much reminds me of like Sally Hansen airbrush legs, how you just look like you're just so smooth and flawless. This is what this does for you as well. I like to use this when I'm filming sometimes, just to kind of put like all over this area because it looks really good on camera. It just makes you look smooth and flawless. I don't have it on today, but I picked it up in a shade darker because the color that I was using was just getting a little too light for me. So this is in the shade Mocha, which I feel like it might be a little too dark, but maybe I kind of like mix it with my other shade Latte and just kind of create the perfect mesh. Like I said, it just really smooths you out. It covers everything and just makes you look absolutely flawless. So if you have never tried Body Blur, try it, girl. Summer is right around the corner. Oh look, I did get something else makeup related. So this is from Buxom and this is their Vava Plump. This is a shiny liquid lipstick. You guys know I'm all about the shiny lip life, and this is in the shade Taupe It Off. I probably have all these over there hanging out in the corner, but I just was not trying to go through, and like I said, most of that stuff that's over there I want to give to you guys. But this is what I can't really tell. The reason I bought this, yep, is I thought that it looked very similar to the lip color that I have on right now. And I create this color every single day. It's with a lip liner, 3 lipsticks, and a gloss to get this color. And look at this. It is like basically the color on my lips, which is what I'm excited about. Again, this is from Buxom and it is in the shade Taupe It Off. It's definitely not taupey. It's very, like, it's basically the color that I'm wearing on my lips without all the work. It's just one thing. And then last but not least, from Milk, we have the Gold Foil Face Gloss. I'm really not even sure what this is. Let's pop this open. Actually, let's see. Clear High Shine Gloss with floating gold glitter flecks for a dewy editorial glow. Swipe on your cheekbones to use as a high shine highlighter, layer over eyeshadow for a glittery glossy lid, or on the lips as a glitter gloss. Have you guys been watching Glam Masters? Because I have. And I want to do like all the challenges that they do. I would never go. Like, so many people have written me and been like, oh my god, you need to be on the next season of Glam Masters. First of all, I could never, because that just seems so scary to me. And yeah, I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit, and I could not handle being critiqued up there. So, oh yeah, I feel like, because sometimes when they say you could use this like on your lids or on your face, like sometimes it's just like too sticky or too heavy of a feeling, but that's like actually really nice, and you can see all the glitter flecks happening. Milk Makeup made me think of one of the judges because she's like one of the co-founders. It's the blonde lady. I can't remember her name. I'm sorry. But I was saying I want to recreate like all those challenges. I've been writing them down on my phone, so we might have like a Glam Master series. It's not sponsored. I'm not trying to be sponsored. I just think that the challenges are cool and that, you know, we should try to create them too. Like, there's like a black and white challenge and a rainbow challenge and a floral challenge, and I'm like, I want to do this. but not on TV. That's actually really nice. I feel like this is gonna be like fire, like for like music festivals, like this, like slathered all over yourself. Ooh, girl. So that was all of our Sephora haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's been a minute, but I try not to buy makeup. You know, I try, but sometimes it just calls to me. Just take a look at the app. See what's new at Sephora. Stay tuned for more giveaways because you guys seem to really enjoy them, and I just have so much makeup to give to you guys. So be on the lookout for that. And again, I will be at Generation Beauty on Sunday, March 25th. So if you're there, please come see me because I would love to squeeze you. So that is it for me. You know that I love you, and I will see you guys in the next video.